Welcome to the Finding Silence YouTube channel. I bet you didn't know that clove, or Syzygium aromaticum, is not just a kitchen spice, but also a powerful healer. This week, we're diving into the incredible world of herbs and spices with our Herb of the Week clove. You might know clove as a common spice in your kitchen, but did you know it's also a powerful source of healing? That's right, clove has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its amazing health benefits. Clove comes from the clove tree, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum. This tropical tree is native to Indonesia. It produces flower buds that we know and love as cloves. These aromatic buds are dried and used whole, ground, or as an oil. Throughout this journey, we'll uncover the secrets of clove and learn how to harness its power for a healthier you. So, stay tuned as we explore the fascinating world of clove and unlock its incredible potential. Get ready to spice up your life and discover the wonders of nature's medicine cabinet. Clove has a long and fascinating history. For centuries, clove has been a prized spice and a valuable commodity. Its journey began in Indonesia, where it was used as early as 1700 BC. Ancient civilizations recognized clove's potent properties. They used it for everything from pain relief to dental care. Clove's popularity quickly spread through trade routes, reaching the Middle East, Africa, and Europe. During the Middle Ages, clove was highly sought after in Europe. It was used to flavor food, preserve meat, and even freshen breath. Its value was so high that it played a significant role in the spice trade, shaping the course of history. What makes clove so special? The answer lies in its potent chemical compounds, primarily eugenol. Eugenol is responsible for clove's distinctive aroma and taste, but it also gives clove its incredible health benefits. Clove is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, easing pain and discomfort. Clove is also an antioxidant powerhouse. It helps fight free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and boosting overall health. Additionally, clove possesses antimicrobial properties, effectively combating bacteria and fungi. These properties make clove a versatile natural remedy for various ailments. Now let's learn how to make your own clove oil at home. It's surprisingly simple and allows you to enjoy the full benefits of this incredible herb. You'll need 2 ingredients: fresh whole cloves and a carrier oil like olive oil or almond oil. First, gather your materials. You'll need a small glass jar with a lid, about half a cup of fresh whole cloves, and enough carrier oil to fill the jar. Next, gently crush the cloves to release their oils. Place them in the jar and cover them completely with your chosen carrier oil. Then close the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks, shaking it gently every few days. After 2 weeks, strain the oil through a cheesecloth or coffee filter into a clean jar. Your clove oil is ready to use. Clove oil can be used topically for pain relief, especially for toothaches. Dilute a few drops in a carrier oil before applying it to the skin. Remember, a little goes a long way. You can also add a drop or 2 of clove oil to your homemade cleaning products or diffuser for its antimicrobial and aromatic benefits. Always consult with your doctor before using clove oil internally or for serious medical conditions. There you have it. Clove, the spice that heals, is a testament to nature's incredible power. Try making your own clove oil and experience its benefits firsthand. We'll be back next week with another exciting herb of the week. Stay tuned and keep exploring the wonders of natural remedies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more remedies and relaxation tips from Finding Silence.